We're gonna do the wheel brakes on this 2015 Acura TLX with the 3.5 V6. First, before we do anything, this vehicle is equipped with the electronic parking brake, so we're gonna have to put it in service mode using this scan tool right there. You guys see down here, it uses the electric motor back there. So let's do it. So we're inside the vehicle. I'm going to turn it on. Put in accessory mode. Alright, and we're going to plug this in the OBD port right down there. There is the app for it. I'll post the link in the comment section below for this control that I'm using. I have to open the app. I have to control it with my phone, and I'm gonna screen record it while I'm doing while I'm putting it. We're in the back of the vehicle. We're gonna start by compressing our caliper. Let's remove the brake rotor within the screw. It is a Phillips head. I'm using an impact driver, but you might have to use an impact. You might have to use an impact for this. The impact screwdriver is something that you use and you hit it with a hammer, and while you're turning it, you're twisting at the same time, and you will break that nut, that screw loose of the brake hub. All right. Now I'm gonna take a caliper bolt off. Here it is. The 20mm. Here it is. Let's speed up the process. Let's hold the bolt back there in place because it's spinning. You're gonna use a little plier like this. Hold it while you're unbolting the caliper bolt. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Hold this in place, not the bolt, but the metal part right here. Got the bolt off, and we're gonna put our caliper down here, like just like this. Okay, it's resting on the lower control arm. Now let's take our old brake pad out. I'm gonna use a 70mm to remove the caliper bracket bolt. Right, there's two bolts here. Let's go, make it free. For the top bolt, we're gonna use a short extension with 70mm again, so you can break the bolt free, just like that. Drop the bottom bolt out. There it is. There's our caliper bracket. Now we're gonna remove our brake rotor. That one is seized to the hub. For that reason, we're gonna use a hammer like this. There's our hammer. We're gonna go. Good. There it is. Now let's clean our hub using this cookie wheel here. clean. Now let's put our water in and make sure you clean the water with clean to take off the rust protection film that's on it. You need to take that off. Let's go use some brake cleaner or soap and water. Good. There we go. Same thing on the other side. Perfect. Let's install our returning screw. Good. Now we're gonna replace the caliper bracket hardware. Let's take out. Make sure you have a new one when you buy your brakes and rotors. Let's replace those and clean it real good. There you go. You're going to clean those channels here to take the rust off of it. I'm gonna use my favorite tool here for this. There it is. You're much better already. So we're gonna install our new with hardware, and they only go on one way, so can't mess that up. There you go. Same thing on the other side. Now let's take our caliper slider pen out and grease them, both of them. Grease it. Now let's install our caliper bracket. Now let's run the bolt screw. Good. Good. Now. Good. Good. So we're gonna grease our brake pads, the top part only. Right? Good. Those brake pads go in, they goes in at an angle, right? Look at this thing here. You're going to put it at this angle. There you go. And that's good. You do the same thing in the back. Same thing in the back. We got our brake pad in place. Now we're going to reinstall our caliper. Alright. Caliper's in. I'm going to put the bolt in, and that will be it. The next step will be to take the vehicle out of surface mode, with the same scan tool, and pump your brake pads, pump your brake pedal before you go for a test drive. And that will be it, folks. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. So we're back in the vehicle now. As you guys see here, we're seeing check the parking brake. It's no big deal. We're going to reset it using the scan tool right there. Let's go. Going to our vehicle diagnostic and event decoding. Alright, come on. And there you go. We're going to diagnose. And go to USA. And press OK. We're going to service function. Brake pad replacement. Brake pad maintenance mode. And press OK. And say OK, you're done. Press OK again. He's doing his thing. And we all good, guys. It's all done. Let's shut off the ignition. And put it back on. Okay. And that's it. That's how you take it out of service mode. And that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.